team. Ay, kainay, wait kaon. MV Napa team. How about the PPC 38 or the FH team? Are you ready or not? Oh, for the PSI, the one and only PSI. Are you ready? Yes, sila. Kapatita Lucas, are you ready? So tonight is more than just a basketball. So the event is a celebration of teamwork. Sabay teamwork niya itong teammates dire. Unity, sportsmanship, and camaraderie among our employees and partner teams. So I know you're coming from different sides, affiliates, ako pa, nilugtong pa, gikan sa bukit. Okay? So this game brings together talented players and passionate supporters.
Oy, pasigan ng suga.
From various departments and companies, all sharing one goal. Unsa atong goal for today's game?